however you're seated, you reckon you have a seatbelt fastened at all time, and also always do observe the seatbelt signs. And we push it back shortly. Weather forecast to be fine in Hong Kong, and just before descent, can you come back to the latest weather update arrival time? You may sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
各位旅客，简单复述刚才我们机长 Captain Edwin 的广播，机长欢迎各位搭乘香港航空的航班 HX776 航班从曼谷前往香港。我们今天的飞行时间大概是需要2个小时又20分钟。另外，在飞行的过程当中，可能会遇到一些不稳定的气流，我们机长建议各位随时将安全带系好。另外，我们会在飞机降落30分钟之前前往香港。今日嘅飛行時間大概需要2個鐘零20分鐘。據報當地嘅溫度大概係涼口。喺飛行沿途當中會遇到一啲唔穩定嘅氣流，機長建議各位將安全帶緊扣。多謝啦。Strictly prohibited anywhere in the aircraft. Offenders are liable to conviction to a fine and imprisonment under Hong Kong law. The use of electronic cigarettes is also prohibited. 請將手提行李妥善存放於行李格內或者前面嘅座椅下，並保持走廊及緊急出口窗都無阻。打開行李櫃時，請小心確保裡面嘅物品唔會跌下。All baggage must be stored in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. The aisle and exits must be clear of baggage and obstructions. 安全帶係咁樣扣上，縮緊係可以咁樣調校嘅。要解開安全帶時，將帶扣拉起。當扣上安全帶嘅信號燈亮起，2歲以下嘅兒童必須使用兒童專用安全帶。And adjust like this. To release the seat belt, release the buckle. Children under 2 years old must be used a supplementary loop belt. When the seatbelt sign is on, you are required to fasten the seatbelt while seated, as there may be unexpected turbulence during the flight. 當有需要時，氧氣面罩呼吸。乘客應先照顧自己，然後照顧小童或其他人。If oxygen is required, the mask will drop onto the Push the mask down and place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the straps and breathe normally. Attend to yourself before helping children or others. 救生衣放喺座位下或扶手下面。Life jacket is stored under the seat or under the armrest. 喺水中相殺時，本機設有8個緊急出口，再有各方都設有4個出口。每個緊急出口都設有逃生滑梯裝置，機艙內設有逃生緊急路線照明系統。喺緊急情況下，照明系統會自動亮起。而家機艙嘅乘務員會為你指示逃生出口嘅位置。所有出口都已經清楚表示。There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Evacuation slides 係要錄下患者聽嘅 brace 嘅時候，立即做好保護姿勢。In an emergency or when you hear brace, take up the brace position. 每個耳袋內都有一張安全說明書，以供乘客參考。如果閣下對以上嘅安全示範有任何查詢，請聯絡乘務員。Please read the safety card in the pocket in front of you. Should you have any inquiries, please contact one of our cabin crew. 我哋即將起飛，請將手提行李接枱妥為收好，將椅背拉直並扣好安全帶。We will soon be taking off. Please ensure that your hand baggage and table are stowed. Seat backs are upright and your seat belt is fastened. 多謝各位嘅留意，咁祝閣下有一個愉快嘅旅程。Thank you for your attention and wish you a pleasant flight. Cabin crew, security are free. Take control. Thank you. 各位旅客，刚才所示范的是救生衣、氧气面罩、安全带的使用方法以及紧急出口的驾乘位置。请注意，当机舱有失压情况，各项一先脱下口罩，再戴上氧气。Emergency exit must be shown in the demonstration. If you are wearing a face mask,
Remove it before putting on an oxygen mask during decompression. Shortening any system, please contact one of the cabin crew. Our flight will be ticket soon. For your own safety, please remove sitting with your seatbelt security fastened and refrain from using lavatory at this time. Thank you for your attention. 各位乘客，剛才所示範嘅係救生衣氧氣面罩安全帶嘅使用方法同埋緊急出口嘅正確位置。請注意當
呢度都仲有層樓喎。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong International Airport. The local time now is 6 minutes to 9 in the evening. The temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. We sincerely apologize for the flight delay. We appreciate your understanding. For your own safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as items inside may fall out. Please